Hello everyone, I am Walt. Today we're doing another famous walk and talk around here in this beautiful, beautiful day. And today's subject is about how to never be kept down, okay? So, whole like I get knocked down, but I'll get up again, never gonna keep me down, like song idea there. You wanna go with a life where you're gonna have times where you get knocked down, okay? This is just part of how you're going to live your heroic mission almost of your life. Now you might say, my life, heroic mission, blah, blah, blah. Look up Joseph Campbell if you want to know what I'm getting at there. But anyway, the idea of the heroic mission in your life is that we're all on our own journey to achieve things, and let's look at ourselves as the hero of our journey here and, see ourselves achieving what we desire to achieve. But a lot of times in our life, we're going to get knocked down by various things. We're going to be going along and then poof, we're going to get slammed, fall over on the ground, and it's going to be like, ugh, I don't want to have to get back up. Because sometimes there will be success and failure, in your life, okay? And while we aim for success, often we encounter failure because what we're doing is we're going up against things we don't know how to do in many cases. Whenever we're trying to learn new things, grow richer, grow stronger, grow smarter, grow happier, okay, we're challenging ourselves. So when we challenge things, we are pushing the barriers. And sometimes when we run straight long into a barrier, it will not be sugar glass, it will be real glass. Sometimes when we run into a wall, it will not be cardboard, it will be bricks, and we're gonna fall down, okay? That's just how it is. A lot of people I know when it comes to trading go into it and they run at it and they're like, yeah, I'm gonna be a billionaire, next week, and I'm gonna do this. And they're so positive, and I really love the positivity people have about this. But then they run into the first wall of, you can't actually make those numbers, okay? What you're gonna start off making are abysmal numbers. And sometimes, factoring in your spread and commission, you can't make anything consistently. And people are like, oh, I'm gonna try this new system. Oh no, it's a scam. Oh, I'm gonna try this option. I'm gonna try this thing. And there are plenty of great ways to trade, but so much of it is about the mentality, okay? You can be successful trading all these different things, but this is not a trading video. This is about, life. But in many ways, trading is kind of like life, so I like to make the analogies at least. But how to never be kept down. So a lot of these people, at least that are traders, they'll just run out and they'll run into walls and they'll fall down and they'll be like, oh, I never want to get back up. And they'll quit, they'll just be done, or they're going to keep in the same mentality and it's not going to work, okay? But that's for a different video, clearly, on trading. But anyway, back to my example. A lot of people running through success, like, here's my new business, I'm going to do this, I'm going to be, the next Bill Gates here, and they run after it, and then their business fails, or, this thing goes wrong, or that thing goes wrong, there's this problem, there's that problem, and suddenly they feel like they're just a failure. Now, this is going to happen, okay? Because you can't have every idea you have succeed. Okay, at least it's very statistically unlikely to do that, where you just walk into every venture and are really successful. If you do that, you probably don't walk into a lot of ventures, which, where's the fun in that, right? Don't you want to live a more fun life, do some fun things, go where you want to go, do what you want to do? And so a lot of the process of being successful just comes down to going after the things you want and falling down sometimes. You'll run into the wall, and that's what happens. But there's this phrase I absolutely love, I believe it's from Les Brown there, where he says, if you're going to fall down, fall on your back, because if you can look up, you can get up. I'll repeat that one because this is really important here, okay? If you fall down, fall on your back, because if you can look up, you can get up. And this is not really a good idea of how to fall off buildings or anything, but don't do that in the first place. When it comes to your mentality, you want to be able to always look back to desire, okay? It's a reason, it's principle 1 of Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich book, because desire is so powerful, okay? Desire is one of the most powerful forces in the universe. And there are time and time again kind of examples that show you that this is the case. What you desire, it can be so powerful, it can overcome everything in order to get you what you want, okay? And to make you happy, to make you successful, all these kind of things. Desire is a big baddie, okay, who is just so powerful, nobody can stand in his way. No amount of fear, no amount of perfectionism, no amount of guilt, no amount of what, okay? As long as you can keep desire strong, okay? Keep desire strong. Keep your desire that I can do this. I want this. If you can keep your desire strong, no matter what happens, whenever you fall down, you're gonna get right back up because you're like, you know what? I am successful. I can see myself achieving what I want to achieve. I am the one. And then you're gonna feel yourself energized and you're gonna be like, you know what? My business was wrong here, here, and here. I'm gonna try again with this. I'm gonna get back to this trading option here. I'm gonna write this new piece instead of this old one. I'm gonna do this. And you try something new, okay? Now, this doesn't mean be foolhardy. Don't run into a bunch of things where, you know, you're very unlikely to succeed. Just be like, okay, I'm going all in, you know? Don't do that, okay? Take calculated risks. Go after things that you really think are going to succeed, but you do need to take risks in your life. And when you do, sometimes you are gonna run into that brick wall and you're gonna fall down. But the thing is, soon enough, you should be able to get back up again if you can use your desire. If you can use your desire to achieve it, then soon enough you can come back with a sledgehammer or a jackhammer or some dynamite and break down that wall, okay? But it's gonna happen where you're going so fast, you'll run into those walls, you'll fall down, but get back up again, okay? Nothing needs to ever keep you down. Anyway, that's about it for this video. Thank you all for watching. I am Walt here, and I will see you guys with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.